So it might be very echoey because, well, A, it sounds echoey to me, so I'm guessing it sounds echoey to you, but it is completely empty in here. There's no carpeting, it's wood floors, and there's like lofted tall ceilings, so it's probably gonna sound super echoey. But I literally just got the keys and I did the inspection. So it's Friday when I'm filming this. I do the move on Monday, so I'm just like bringing up a few things today, but the big move is happening in a couple days on Monday. And oh, I just realized I forgot to put lipstick on. I've had a mask on for a couple hours. I rushed over here and got half ready this morning. It's been a shit show of a week, but I am so excited and so thankful to be in this place. So if you want to know why I moved and just kind of like the whole situation happening, you can check out my moving kind of announcement video. I'll link it in the eye down below. If you're new here, welcome. I live in Seattle. My name's Taylor. I truly don't even know how long I've lived in Seattle now. It might be 7 years, 6, 7 years. When I moved here, I lived in the living room of an apartment with 3 people in a 2-bedroom. My bed was in the living room, and I've had my filming room in this like tiny little makeshift like sunroom kind of thing. I was doing YouTube and working full-time for years, and I've documented all of my moves on YouTube, so I'm gonna leave all those videos down below if you wanna kind of see the different places I've lived. But I did just kind of wanna preface this video by saying this is the nicest place. Like, I could cry right now. I have worked my butt off, but I am very grateful to be in this position, especially right now. I recognize that, you know, during COVID and just all of this, it's been a really hard time for a lot of people, and I just want to say that I'm very grateful to be in the position I am, and I'm very grateful for you guys and your support and everything. This is half a workspace for me. So it's a 2-bedroom place. Half of the place is gonna be my filming space and where I work, and the other half is where I live. Without further ado, I'm gonna show you it. It's so pretty, you guys. It's so pretty, and there's a bathtub and an ice machine. But here we go. If you enjoy this video while you're watching, you can give it a thumbs up. I am documenting the moving vlogs. I already have one moving vlog up. If you want to see the rest of the moving process, you can subscribe. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. And definitely check out the last moving announcement video down below if you kind of want to know more. Okay, here we go. Floors in here are this nice light wood color. Okay, so I didn't have laundry in my last place. And you guys, oh my God, I could sleep in here. Okay, this could be a bedroom. This is unreal. It literally could be a bedroom. This is bigger than my kitchen in my last place. I'm not exaggerating, it's literally bigger than my kitchen. There's so much room for all of the shenanigans in here. But this will be nice like luggage storage. I could put my suitcases in here. And then there's all of this storage right here, and then there's all of that storage up there. I'm in shock. I just cannot wait to do laundry. I literally have like bags of laundry ready to do. 2 apartments ago, I had laundry, and then in my current place, I don't have laundry. It's just gonna be amazing. So I just cannot wait to do laundry. Honestly, I would be fine with putting a bed in here. Then we have this storage closet. Let me make this a little bit wider of a shot. Okay. We have this storage closet. Storage up there, there's these nice racks that I can hang. So this will probably be my coat closet. Maybe coats on one side and then like cleaning stuff on the other side, you know, like vacuum and stuff. But giant closet right there. And then there's another closet right here. But this will probably be maybe like a pantry. They said when I toured it that this could be used as like a pantry. I had this like little metal tiny rack as my pantry before. So to have like an actual pantry is just like incredible. And I could fit in here too. There's so many places to sleep. Okay, I'm not gonna sleep in my pantry, don't worry, but if I wanted to, I could. I don't know if I should show you this next. I guess I am. This is the kitchen. Okay, I mean, I'm gonna start crying. Gonna try and keep it together here. As soon as I saw this, I was pretty much sold. Okay, I actually don't remember if the microwave comes with this, but oh, it does. Oh my God. So that lifts up, there's a microwave, and I could probably like push that over and then put my Keurig right there. Oh my God, it's so fancy. What the heck? And then over here is the, it's like the built-in kind of, what, refrigerator. Can't even have words right now. Here she is. So big. And then here's the freezer with the ice maker. My dad keeps telling me it's called an ice maker, not ice machine. I keep pulling at the wrong thing. I've never had an ice maker in my life. And look, there's ice. I can't reach that, but that's something up there, some kind of storage. The countertops are the white and gray marble. And then here's the stove. So I think it's a gas stove. I'm not a big chef, but I might need to become a big chef with this thing. My boyfriend's more of the chef, so he's more stoked about this. I don't know what you do with this thing. Cook pancakes or something maybe? We'll have to figure that out. But it looks very nice. And it has this hood thing. These are quite tall. So I might need to get a step stool, another step stool, multiple step stools to have in the kitchen. But tons of storage up here and below. Here's the dishwasher, beautiful sink. And then here is the view. So the ceilings are super tall. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but they're like a bit lofted. So basically I'm gonna put my couch, I'm pretty sure right there, coffee table, TV, dining table slash like workspace right here. Then also in this corner I could put like a little desk if I wanted to. So here's what it looks like standing from all the way in the corner. So here's the living room, dining room slash workspace, whatever I want to make that, and then kitchen right there. And then there's a patio right there. So I got 3 island stools to go right here. They had 3 when it was staged and it looked like it was enough. I want to keep it really open though. Like I love how open and bright it is. And by the way, it's a really gloomy, cloudy day today, which is why it's kind of dark in here when I'm filming this, but there's super good natural light in here. There's this bathtub and then this goes into this room, which is room number 1. So this is going to be the filming room. Where's the door? Oh, it has a sliding door. So here's the filming room. So I'm pretty sure this closet is gonna be mostly where I store all of my filming equipment and makeup and stuff. Like this is gonna be mostly filming room storage stuff. It'll be really nice to finally have a spot for all my camera gear and stuff and just have room and like be able to see things. This is a huge closet. And then here is the filming room. And then let's walk back over through here. So now we are going into my bedroom. And then it has another window right there. It has another one of those pillar things right here, which I think is really cool in a bedroom. Just gives like a interesting kind of vibe. And like for the holidays, I might string like lights around it or something. And I think I'm gonna put my bed against that wall. So this is what I'm gonna use as like my main bathroom. And when I saw this, I really liked how this was separated off, because one of the things about my place now is that it's so small. This place is literally double the size of the place I'm in right now. Even like before COVID, I've been working from home for so many years that can be really tricky when, especially with filming, because there's so much equipment and so much stuff everywhere, that it's really so lucky and so nice to have space like this where you can kind of just like come and have that separation between working and filming, and then like having a life where it doesn't feel like your work is like overflowing into it. And I really liked how the kitchen and like living space is kind of separating those two things in this space. Wow, my makeup's looking real ratchet right now. It like totally rubbed off from the mask I had on. But anyway, so we have the double vanity again. What are these green things? Oh, half flush. This is huge. So there's a shower right here. And then there's this tub right here. And this is like a deep tub. I think they said it's like a deep soaking tub. I would accept any tub. Not picky with my tubs. I don't have any tub right now. So if you watched that video, you know, that was one of the main things on my list just for my body. And then here is the closet where I'm gonna have clothes. So much more space than I have right now. It's incredible. Okay, just noticed there's so many outlets right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is so nice. And then the backsplash right here is real subway tile. Mine right now is like stick-on, so real subway tile is just like a luxury. I haven't even really explored. You know when you like tour a place, you're just kind of rushed because they're like watching you? So I haven't even really like looked around. Guys, this is gonna be the new place where I'm like filming right here. And there's so much room on this island. I can't even explain to you, like when I used to film in my kitchen, my old kitchen was literally the size of like here to here. Just used to have to get like really creative with how I would vlog in there, and there was no light in the kitchen at all. So it's just gonna be fun to like film and have natural lighting and have so much space and just be really comfortable, just for, you know, other reasons. If you watch that video, in 2 nights I'm going to be sleeping here and waking up right here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are excited for more moving vlogs to come. But thank you guys, especially those of you who have been around through just all of the moves, me moving to Seattle as an intern, me doing YouTube throughout all of my jobs, and just have been here throughout all of it. Thank you for sticking around, and I really do appreciate all of you guys who watch my videos and everything. I don't know what else to say. I just feel very lucky. I can't wait to take a bath, and I can't wait to use my ice maker. But I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next moving vlog.